What's up, guys? Gonna do some maintenance on my car. Hey guys, first time doing my own oil change on my car. We'll see how it goes. So I got everything I need. This is the car, and I haven't done my oil change before because my drain bolt has been stripped, but the last oil change I got, they were able to replace it for me, so now I can do it myself. All right, but right now we got the ramps, the oil drain where the oil will drain to, and then this is everything that I got. So the oil, 540 liquid moly, and a smaller one as well, because these are like 5 liters, not quarts. But this oil is the only one that doesn't burn. The other one, like Castrol and Valvoline, at 3,000 miles I've consistently burned a whole quart, and this one is at over 5,000 now and it hasn't burned anything. And then this is the oil filter I had, because that's the one that my store had in stock. And this is the drain bolt that I just got with the washer. And then I got the air filter and the cabin air filter. And then I also got these special things. This goes in the gas to do the gas. This goes in the oil after you do the oil change to make it less friction-y, I guess. And this one you put before you change the oil, so that it gets all the old oil out. And then I also got some of this that I had, because my light is on, so I can finally get the light off to turn the washer fluid off. And then I have this refrigerant, which I'm gonna try. I'm not sure if I'm low, but the air is not as cold as it has been, so I'm just gonna check if that's low. And then I also got some gloves. All right, here we go. Gonna try and put the car up on here. All right, we're all good, perfect on there. And I'm gonna let it idle for a little bit while I put this engine flush in right now. And I'm gonna let it idle for like 15 minutes while this does its magic. And so I got all this stuff because since this works so well, I'm like, dang, like I really trust this brand now. So I just saw all these things that we had, and I was like, you know what, they gotta work, because this stuff worked really good. So we're gonna try it out. Alrighty, so here is the car. I'm actually gonna check the oil. Oh yeah, it's a little low. So maybe it did burn. And it's pretty dark, not terrible. But it's definitely almost a quart low. So didn't burn as much, but still burned a little bit. Engine flush. While that's going, I'm gonna put this in here. All right, so I filled this up all the way with the washer fluid while I let this run and filter out. Okay, so this stuff cleans out the direct injection. So I already put it in earlier, but this is what I did. So we'll just pretend that I recorded it. All right, so ran that for 15 minutes. Now I turned it off, and we're gonna drain the oil into there. All right, so I don't have a socket big enough for this, so I'm just gonna be very careful and use some of these. But luckily I did have this piece to do the OEM drain plug, but the one that I got is different. So it's just a regular thing for that, but I should have that as well. But all right, now I'm gonna drain the oil. That's probably hot oil. I shouldn't touch that. All right, so that's draining. And I'm gonna take this off. All right, not too bad. All right, got this out. Doesn't look incredible. I don't know. Okay, so while the oil is draining down there, I'm gonna take this off and replace the air filter. Okay, so here's the old oil filter, or here's the old air filter. There it is. Let's see the new one. All right, and here's the new one. Went with the paper one because apparently it's supposed to filter better for my engine, I guess, because of the oils on the K&N. Apparently, I don't know. I've used that for a while and haven't noticed anything. So yeah, this one looks pretty restrictive, but looks like it'll filter air, which is what I want it to do. So yeah. All right, that one's in there snug, and then I'll just fasten these back in. Okay, next we're gonna do the cabin filter. Goes underneath the glove box. Please excuse my disgustingly dirty floor. I'm gonna vacuum it. So you bring that down, and then it's like, it slides, I think. Okay, I was looking at the wrong spot. You actually have to take these screws out right here. And then, yeah, there it is. And then this slides. Ew. Ugh. Damn. Yeah, it looks pretty disgusting. Sheesh. Oh my god, this used to be white. Yeah, this definitely needs to be replaced. Okay, so I slid this guy back on there. And I think this might be like only the second time I've ever changed this, which is like kind of crazy and probably not good. So hopefully there's a difference. Okay. Should be all good. Okay, now that I have drained all the oil and replaced all the filters up top, I'm going to install the new washer. Alright, so just installed the new oil filter on there, and now I'm going to start filling up the new oil. Guys, are you kidding me right now? This is the coolest thing I've ever seen. This thing just pops out like that with this, and then it screws off, and then there's a little seal in there. You don't have to take the whole thing off. What? That's insane. So yeah, now I'm gonna add the new oil and the additive thing. All right, just dump the whole big jug, and now we're gonna add this. That looks weird. I'm like, is this actually supposed to go in the engine? It looks like chalky. Maybe it's because it's cold. It's like black. Interesting. Okay, so since we added that other bottle, which was 300 milliliters, the additive, we only need to put about like a tiny bit of this one in there. All right, you guys, oil is all good. And now we're gonna lower the car and let it run for a little bit and then check the levels. All right. All right, started it up. Just gonna let it run a little bit and then I will check the levels. All right, ran it pretty good. Now I'm gonna check the oil level. I would say it's a little low. I'm not too sure. Yeah, it's about halfway low. Half a quart. All right, you guys, that's gonna be it for the oil change. We did the oil change, some additive stuff, and the air filters, and it should be running like brand new. All right, guys, so after driving it for a while, the car feels amazing and like brand new. And so that's just a quick little update. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.